So you might be in a situation where for some reason your LG TV is just not turning on. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is to just go through and make sure that within your LG TV, you can do some sort of a soft reset. So nothing super crazy. If you can just go through and basically unplug the TV from the outlet. So if you can go through, just take your TV, unplug that thing from the outlet that you have, that would probably be the first thing. Then if you can go through and just plug in your particular TV back again, you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Try using your remote to turn it on. Sometimes the remote batteries might be the issue, and you might have to find the physical power button that's within your TV. So try doing that. Try seeing if you can find that physical power button inside of your TV and try clicking that instead of the remote. That might end up fixing it. Sometimes that might not end up causing the fix as well. So in that case, what you can do is you can press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. So hold down, that thing for 30 seconds, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. Now, sometimes the TV might actually be on, but sometimes it might just cause you to look like it's basically off or like a black screen. So if you see a faint image like an LG logo or like a menu, that might mean that your backlight has actually failed. And in that case, you might have to go through and maybe contact LG to have it fix your TV or, try doing something like that. You might also want to double check if it's like a, HDMI issue or anything like that too. You might want to try reconnecting the HDMI cable to that TV because that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.